Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have a 2-in-1 high pressure car washing little kit here. So let's go ahead and check out what this thing is here. Here's our instructions. We'll keep that handy here. We have our soap bottle here. We have our device here. There we go. Okay. We have our nozzles up there, so that's going to give us our different nozzles out of it, because we will rotate it to get the different nozzles. Very cool. I guess that's okay. We use this or that. And then let's see what we got down here. And here we go. Now we have our hose connection. So this one here will connect up. Oh, this one here is a nice small one here. So this is if we just wanted to connect up to something, I guess, super small, like if we just had a portable bucket or something like that we were carrying with us, we're carrying our own water. And this one here is if we wanted to, oh, it's zip tied. I do have my little, open that up. Okay. So here we go. So now with this here, we'll put into our bucket of water, and it's got a little filter in it too. So even if it's got a little bit of chunks in it, we're gonna be okay. And then we have our hose, which I think I already got twisted up somehow, but no. Okay, there we go. And so this will hook up into the bottom of this. So then it will suck out the water out of the bucket, and we will have our spray coming out of it here. And it's just battery powered, so that's cool. And in here we have our charger for it. We have, well, we can actually even just hook it right up with this one here with a car adapter, or we can charge it with USB to USB-C. So it's got both of those right on the back there. That is nice. Okay, and then we can fold it back up when we're done with this here. We pull and twist that. But let's go ahead and get a bucket and just try to squirt some water.